Welcome to Exhibit Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon, live here at the Mega Trade Hall at the SM Mega Mall. At siyempre kasama po tayo ngayon dito sa ating Coconut Expo 2025. At isa po sa exhibitors nila na magbibigay ng maganda at mahusay na produkto, ang BHMC Bio-Natural Product. At kasama po natin ang kanilang Operation Manager, si Miss J. Bernaldez. Magandang araw po, ma'am.
Good morning po, sir, and good morning the exhibits today and to all your viewers.
Mama, ano po ang product na dinala niyo po rito ulit, ma'am? Pakiulit po.
Ito po yung Bio-Natural Virgin Coconut Oil from the native coconuts, freshly processed in Bohol po. So we are from Bohol, Region 7.
Wow. So kanina bagit mo yung alternative, paki-explain nga yung alternative medical.
Yes, we are the only virgin coconut oil that we use for medically. So prevention po ng mga sakit natin, pwede po natin siyang inumin at saka gamitin po external and internal use for your beauty and for your health.
Wow, beauty and health. Yeah. So you are looking for a distributor, wholesaler, tama po ba?
Yes, we are looking for some distributors and who want to use and distribute our products here in Manila. So from Bohol po ito, but this is a premium quality with 5-year shelf life po. So matagal po siya.
Meron po kayong telepono o website na pwedeng kontakin?
Yes, you can message us, BHMC Products, sa Facebook page at saka sa website po natin. And you can also visit our booth here in Mega Mall, 5th floor.
Okay, so how about the price? Kamusta naman yung price niya?
Sa presyo po, okay naman po yung presyo, competitive naman po for the other producers, and you can assure the premium quality of our products. And we have also the other products like coconut cider vinegar and the ozonated VCO for your beauty as your moisturizer.
Wow, so mama, makikita ho nila kayo live, no?
Yes.
6 na araw kayo dito. Okay, maraming salamat po. See you.